Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix GW library app not working. So if you're currently having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did myself was that I firstly closed the app and instead I went into my settings app. And on my settings app, I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked where it says general. As you can see, so I clicked on general and then it took me to this page right here. So now on this page, I just scrolled down and I clicked on storage. And then we have to wait on this page right here for it to completely load. And then when it's done, we're going to click on the search symbol in the top right corner. It's going to turn like blue, I think, and then it's actually clickable and we can then search for GW library app in there. And I'm just going to click on the search symbol now, as you can see. Search for GW, click on the GW library app and then click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds, as you can see, and then click on the blue button here once again. So what will happen now is that your app will automatically now be updated to the latest version. So it's going to take you probably a couple of seconds for the app to update to the latest version. And I did this myself and afterwards it actually worked for me. So I think maybe if like they maybe have like an update or something like that, then we have to update to be able to use it, maybe. Or if there's something like a bug or something like that and they release a new update, we have to actually get it and then it works. So try this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.